Hi everyone, this is week 7 and this is the Universal Design for Learning lesson plans. And as you can see, the first thing I want you to make sure you've done is read chapter 5 of the Friend and Bursic. And once you've done that, then of course watch this video. And then we've got the UDL module part, and you get a choice on how you complete this. So the first way would be to download this guideline right here. And here is basically an outline for all of Universal Design for Learning, and it goes through each one of the components. So multiple means of representation, multiple means of action and expression, or multiple means of engagement. And it gives you examples and how those three principles were all created, and just guidelines for making sure that you are doing that. The second one is to go to the IRIS module, and that is, and you can just kind of walk yourself through the Universal Design for Learning. There's the challenge, the initial thoughts, the perspectives, and as you can see, there's 11 pages to this. And then you, once you're done with the perspectives, then you go to the wrap up, and then there's also the assessment, but you don't have to do that. The third thing that you need to access is this is the UDL, the National Center on Universal Design for Learning. And here they have like the different guidelines, the graphic organizers, the theory and practice. And you can go through this website. They have some helpful videos and whatnot that you can watch so that you are sure that you're feeling confident with your understanding and ability to apply Universal Design for Learning in your lesson plan. If you don't want to do that, which is going through websites and doing a lot of reading, you can also go through, and I've created 3 videos on Universal Design for Learning using these same materials. So you can also go through those, watch the videos, take notes, whatever it is you want. The third thing I want you to do, and you can see that these are just items, and then this one is an actual assignment. So this third thing is actually creating a lesson plan. So I have a lesson plan example of a unit plan, right here, and this is the sections of the unit plan, and then here's an example of how one could write that unit plan. So we've got the class profile, the environmental assessment, the curriculum resources, and then the goals, and then you actually how to do a task analysis, connect that with assessments, and then also different types of strategies that you can use. That's all in there. The other thing is, oops, that was the same one. I have the lesson plan with the PSYOP, strategies right in there. The big piece of the lesson plan that we're working on right now that I'm looking at is I want to know the different PSYOP strategies that you're going to use and any sort of student outcomes. This lesson plan is really focused on the adaptations that you're making for the diverse learners in your class. So those are the pieces I'm looking for. Of course, the content standards and language goals as well, and making sure that you complete all sections. Now, I have let's put that down. I also have an example lesson plan. This is for a 4th grader. And it's not perfect, but it does have the different components in it, and so you can kind of see what it is that I'm expecting from you when you start working on your lesson plan. And like I said, all of that is in this video here, and then right from your syllabus, this is the exact wording from the syllabus on the culturally responsive UDL lesson plan with PSYOP strategies and technology integration. This first step that we're doing is just looking at the UDL lesson plan with PSYOP strategies. We're going to be developing the PSYOP strategies in class. The next time we see each other face to face, and then after that we're going to be working on some of the technology integrations, and that will be after that. So this is a multi-phase process of creating one of the best lesson plans you will ever write, and that's due once again by the 12th of March. And then the fourth thing that I want you to do, and we mentioned this in class, is the discussion on stakeholder interviews and veteran teacher observations. So first I want you to post your reflection on your stakeholder interview. So for the stakeholder, I want you to give me one surprise you heard, one significant thing you heard, and one thing that you will integrate in your teaching. For the veteran teacher observation, what was one thing that you saw that you would like to try to emulate? And then I also want you to tell me one thing that you will do differently next time you observe a colleague teaching. So we can, even our observations and reflection about other people's teaching can always be improved. So I want you to just think about how you could make that experience more impactful for you. And then after you do that, I want you to read and comment on at least 3 peers' posts. So that brings us through this week. So as the task list says, read chapter 5, watch the intro video, which you're watching right now, choose to either watch the UDL videos or read the UDL documents, complete the lesson plan, and then complete the discussion. And as always, if you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you and have a great night.